So hi, I'm T from Fair, and welcome to this tutorial where we're going to make some swords. We'll do some swords from medieval age. So I grabbed some references for this from Google. So we will first put the references into the view, and after we'll start the model. So for the references, I will use just a plane. So I will create a plane. Put here one, it's enough. We can rename it just to know that this is a reference plane. So reference. Now, before I assign the texture there, I need to go to preferences here, and no, it's fine. So be sure that this is checked here if you can. If not, then you have to go here and assign the values to maximum to see the textures in the on the plane sharp. So let's press M to go to the editor, and let's choose some empty slot. I will choose this one. I'll make a standard from that again. Click on diffuse, go up and bitmap, and choose a reference. Now be sure to remember this because we want to make the swords in some ratio. I need the plane match the ratio which is here. So for me this is too big, so I will just divide this by 2. So I don't know, maybe 500, 267 or something like that. So I will change the settings here. I will select my plane. Oops. And put here 500 and 267. So we have a plane matched texture. When I drag it there, it's just gray, so I need to turn this on, and voila, our textures texture are there. So I will change this to shade to see everything. Now I will turn off the grid, I don't need it, and we are ready to model. Now before I start to model, I will change also the units in max. I don't want to do this in standard units, which are max default, but real units. So unit setup, and I will go to metric, and I don't know, centimeters. See, this is it's too big. It's way too big. Or not? Yeah, it's too big. It's like 10 meters. So I need like, I don't know, maybe 10 times less. So I'll just delete the 0 here and move this like this. So I will zoom my views on it, and I'm ready to model. So turn this on and rotate the plane about 90 degrees. Now okay, come on. Okay, I will just zoom out and keep it like this. Now I turned this on to move our reference picture by rotating by 5 degrees. So it's fine to turn this on to see how much you rotating the model or some shape or something like that. So I don't know. I think I will start from right to the left. So I will start with this weapon here. Now here are not all details. It's very some kind of old picture, but we'll improvise that. We need just a little bit the shape and the size of the sword. So I will turn this on. Right click on this object properties and turn this on and turn this on. So now my reference picture is freezed, and I don't need to worry about that. I will select it after. So I will zoom on this a little bit and start to model it from a cylinder. So I will start from this here. So I will just draw a cylinder here, rotating again for 90 degrees. Maybe it's hard to see, but here was the angle which I was rotating. I'll paste it somewhere here. Let's go here and name it sort1. Now change the size just to 8 and these segments to 1. Now maximize this, F4 to see the sides and Alt X to see through. Now before I convert this to editable poly, I will adjust the radius a little bit and make it a little bit smaller. So from this shape I will start to model. Now right click, convert to poly, and we can start. Now press P to go to perspective and select this bottom. Poly, let's go to front again, Z to zoom. And we start with a simple bevel, beveling our shape to match this handle. Now after I will assign subdivision to this, so we don't need to do everything like very smooth, just to make the outline match our shape, stuff like that. So I'm just using my mouse to make a nice bevels somewhere until here. Now select also these edge, loop it, and in perspective I will a little bit scale this up. Let's go back to front, Z to zoom, yeah, it's way better. Now, again, select this poly, I will extrude this. I don't know, until here. And now, let's do the handle. Now, I don't know if it's too fat, maybe a little bit. So just with the move tool, I'll move this a little bit. And let's start to model the handle. So we'll select these, and the opposite polys. Can go to front again, and we'll simply bevel this away. So we bevel it some way and a little bit inside, and again. I think I will do this 3 times. Now I will select everything here and here, all vertex, and move this a little bit down. Now deselect these two on the corner and again move them down. And again this. Okay, you see how easy it is. Now let's do first some kind of a rough shape, and after we will put all details and fix some things. So let's go to perspective, and we need to do the blade. Now I will move this a little bit up. Just to see everything, and now we need to do here, I think, some cuts. So thinking about how the best to do them. Okay, we'll try like this. So I will select this and this edge and connect these ones, and these, and again connect. So I will do absolutely like the same connects. This is it's not enough actually. I need to go and connect it here, and this I will do from not left view, maybe top view. Oops, L and Z. No, top view. I mean Z to zoom on that, and I will do a cut. Now I will do a cut. I need to go to bottom, not to top. So here, I will do a cut and go a little bit down already with the initial shape. So I will not do a straight cut because this wasn't even making the connect between them. And I will do a shape like this. No, so far so good. So back to perspective and select all polys here, the new, which was cutting. Now let's go to front, Z to zoom, and okay, it's a little bit too big, but it's fine. I think it's fine. I just need to look on something. Now I will try to extrude this a little bit. Maybe from perspective, yes. Okay, the thickness is fine, so I will go one step back. Now, it's too big. Now, what to do? Very easy. I will do again a connect between these three. Now it will connect this in this kind of shape. I'll go back to local here and move it a little bit. Move it a little bit. Probably also scale this a little bit down. Yep, and I will do the same on the other side. Probably I'm too lazy to use the cut tool. So I'll again connect, move a little bit, no, this way. I'll try to match our shape, but still stay in local mode. And also I will scale this again. Probably like this. Okay, I will make it a view, and now we can make from this the shape. Now let's go to front and let's see. Yeah, this is way better. So in perspective, one more step. I will inset this tiny little bit. Yeah, this was just tiny little. Okay, like this. No, I think this was too much. Or I will not insert that. Yeah, I want to insert that, so I will go like this. First, before I will try to extrude that, I will pull this a little bit away. Just like this. Okay, now, oops, front, Z to zoom. And let's use our bevel tool, not just extrude, and make from this shape of a blade. Oh, let's see if, yeah, we already did here something bad. Ah, okay, this was a little bit my bad. I will use just extrude for this so far, and after I will scale this down. So let's go to front Z, and we will make like these few extrudes. Oops, not that one. And the last extrude will be a little bit smaller. Okay, so so we have a rough shape of this. Now we need to scale that. So I will select everything again here, and I will scale it just in this axis a little bit. I will deselect this one and scale again. Deselect that one, scale again. And deselect this one and scale again. Now the tip of the sword we'll make later. Or we can already prepare the shape. Now let's see if it's looking like a sword. Yeah, it is. So it's fine. It's fine that we are going it like this. Now I will do a scaling also from this, from the left view. So, but just a little bit. So I will try really scale this very carefully. just to make it looking more sharp. Okay, this was too much, I think. Yeah, I think this is fine, but it's up to you. If you want to scale it more, you can do it, of course. Now maybe everything I will scale a little bit more. Okay, well, let's go to front, back to front. Better to perspective, and we can start to work on the blade and after go up and finish the detail on the up. So Alt X, first of all, I will change the color to gray. I don't like this blue. Okay, so now the tip. Now the tip will do like, maybe someone will tell very strange, but I think it's fine. So I'll select this one and bevel this. Try to bevel it. Okay, it's not going to bevel, so I'm going to scale this. So I'll scale this to this shape, and again I will extrude this a little bit and scale again. And one more time. But in this time I will start to scale that. After the scaling I will collapse or vertex there to make it sharp. Now it's up to you if you want to do it like this sharp or not, but I think it should be. Now I'll go to the front view and fix a little bit these things. So I'll scale this a little bit more. And this I will scale a little bit away. Now back to perspective. Select the vertex and Z to zoom. I will chamfer it. I will try to chamfer it. Oops, where we are. Okay, now select something Z to zoom on that. Now select this ugly shape, and by using scale, go in one direction and we will make it flat. I move it this way a little bit, and also I will straighten it, and yeah, like this. Now so far so good. Now I will scale this a little bit down, I think. These two. Or maybe this one not. I think everything I can scale a little bit more. Now we just want to fit the shape to a sword, so it's up to us how it will be looking at the end. But it should look like the sword. So we have the tip, which is not actually sharp, but is sharper than before. So okay, everything looks fine. I just have no idea what it is. Ah, okay, it's a vertex inside. Now, okay, so we have here the tip. Now we can anyway fix it a little bit later. Now let's go to front again. And let's see, here is inside some kind of shape, which is going from this. Now let's do that, and after we'll make the rest of that. So I will drag the selection to select also the poly on the other side. Now it's going just here. I don't understand why, but it doesn't matter. Now we'll inset this. We'll inset this a little bit more. Press OK. Now I will use bevel and make the shape. We'll try to go side. Oh, very strange bevel. It was going too much, so oops. So we just need to go a little bit inside, be like this, and like this. Now, from front view, I will also scale this in this axis, and I will keep it like it is. The rest will do subdivision, I hope. Anyway, so again, we can fix a little bit the tip. We can make this a little bit smaller. Yeah, it looks better. Now, thinking what else to do on the shape. Now, okay, I think we should select this one and loop it, but not all around. So we can deselect this, select it manually. Okay, okay, I see. So loop again and again deselect. Now, okay, deselect these ones. Select it again manually by holding Control. And now, no, yeah, we can chamfer this, or we can just extrude this. Now, this is way too much. So we'll extrude this a little bit, and oops. Okay. Maybe you think it looks a little bit strange, but it will be fine at the end. But here we have a problem. We will fix this later, because the extrude is too high for it. So anyway, okay, let's make it from scratch again. So we'll go away and like this. No, no, okay, I don't like this. So we will do it different way. Probably, anyway, even don't need to do that. Okay, I will see. Maybe I will do it or not. I don't know. Now let's speed this up a little bit. So on the handle, I need to oops. I need to select all vertex on the handle. So I will do it by selecting the edges here, looping them. I need to manually select these ones because we was doing some cutting there, connecting. Let's go to top, control vertex, and select also these ones here. Now let's scale these down. Go like this, deselect these ones, again a little bit, and a little bit more here. Now let's look in perspective. It's in perspective, it's fine. So it should be fine also on the model after. Now, if you want to see how it's looking so far, so we can turn on subdivision. We'll use this too. Oops. Now I'll turn this off, and you can see this inside shape, which is forming from nothing. Now we have still some things to fix there, but it's absolutely fine. Now the tip is fine. Also, actually the sides are fine, so I don't know if to make that something. The handle is fine, but it's doing this, so we'll fix this in a moment, and also this we need to fix. So we are actually just the beginning. Now here will be like the hard part now. Well, Z to zoom on this. I'll try to select this edge. I'll loop it. Can loop all around. So again, I will select this one, loop, and this one. Alt X, and we need to select also the opposite one there. So I think it should be this one, maybe. Now it's be very careful when selecting edges like this. Maybe it's just me, but sometimes I have a lot of problems with that. Selecting the wrong one, transferring them, and doing a lot of troubles. So I'll move this a little bit. Go like here, select this one and loop it. Now this one we need to chamfer. We need to chamfer it not much. We'll actually see how much we need to chamfer. Okay, before the chamfer we need to do some cuts. So I will do a cut here. The same on the other side. And again here. I will make the cut after going all around the shape, but so far I need just these ones. So again, edge. Sorry for that. Oops. So like this one. Okay, the loop is not working again. So now I will select my model and move it away from the reference picture. Now let's try to select it all around. Maybe we can sometimes hit the loop, and we'll see. And wait a second. Okay, now we can try to chamfer. This is way better. We'll use just chamfer like these ones, and now be careful. It's because we was making the chamfer. We have here a triangle. Now to have triangles in your model is very bad. You should try to have just quads and stuff like that. So here we can fix this very easily and very fast. I will just touch it well, this one, and I will move this. You can try gimbal out local. Yeah, in local, I will move this back to form my shape. Now the triangles here will be causing problems when we will be applying subdivision, so it's very important to fix them. And even if you do anything else, just try to keep away from the triangles. I'm trying in all tutorials to avoid them, and if I have them, to fix them somehow, and don't pretend that they don't exist. Maybe sometimes I would like to do it, just like, okay, I don't see any triangles, but not now. Okay, have this here, so we're chamfering this one. Now This cut I will do a little bit later. I'll try again something here. I'm just thinking how far I should go. I'll try to select also the other side. Loop it. I'm sure I don't want this chamfer on the handle here. Here it can here it can be, but not there. So I'll try to do a chamfer here, all the way around. Okay, we can try like this one. Just let's see our shape. Oh, it's fine so far. No problems. Here we have triangles which we will destroy in a moment. So far we will keep them. And yep, it's fine. Now here it should be fine too, maybe. Yeah, it's too big here. You see? Now it's obviously that why it's too big, and anyway we'll do this and fix. Now how we'll fix this is, well, we can just move them in some view to make the chamfer smaller. Just we need to be careful that we are selecting the right one. I'm not sure that I'm selecting the... No, of course I'm not. And again, so anyway. No, my bad, I'm selecting all the time something else. So I will not scale them, I will weld them. Now, I will select these ones, these ones, these ones, and these ones here. Now I will hit weld. It's too big, and I need, oops. No, yeah, too much. So I will keep the value like this. And it's fine now. Now back to our shape. Z to zoom on that. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me. Let's fix the triangle here. Now, I will fix it like I will do here a cut, just like this, and weld this down. No, bad idea, actually. Okay, don't keep attention. Okay, anyway, I will fix this in a moment. First of all, I need to do here a chamfer on all sides. So I will select these edges here, loop them. Maybe I selected too much. Yeah, I did. So again, I'll try it like this. Okay. Okay. Now I need also this here. I'm thinking if also this. No, I don't think. Yeah, I need. Probably. Oops. Maybe just use this select tool. So let's manually select everything which we need to chamfer. because when we will not chamfer the handle, it will go inside. When we use subdivision, it will be looking very strange. So now, sorry again. So no, yeah, it's better. So selecting, rotating around and trying to select everything which we need to select by default. I know it's probably a lot of edges. It looks like a lot of edges, but it's fine. I think it's fine. Selecting already much more. Now we don't need to chamfer this here. So we'll try carefully to select it. And oops. This one, loop. Okay, again selected that. Now again, I will deselect anything. I mean everything what I don't need. Already thinking that I will not chamfer this one. And now I think I can use the loop if I deselect something accidentally, and let's use the chamfer. Okay, now this is fine. I like it. Now again, we have here some triangles which we'll fix in a moment. Before we need to chamfer also this one here. So I will loop this, and we can make the same chamfer at the end. Now again, select this one, loop, chamfer. Now let's go here and fix this. Oh, I need to think a little bit how to fix them. Oops. Select this one and Z to zoom. I don't know if I'm even able. Yeah, I think. No, I don't know. So delete this with backspace, but I'm not sure that this will solve anything. No, it will not. Again, Z and zoom on that. Thinking, but in all, what about I'm thinking is all the time some triangle. So okay, I have an idea. So I will go back here for the cut, and I will select this one and ring it. Should select just this here, and not, yep, just that. Connect it once. The same I will do also here. Ring and connect. And now I will use my cut tool, make here the cut. And from our triangle we have two. Now here and here a cut. And now I will try to delete this. Oops. It's not how I wish it would be. Okay, let's try subdivision, how it will be looking. Okay. I don't see any trouble with the triangles. Okay, I will even don't fix them. But it will be the best to keep them how they are. Now I was chamfering it bad. I should chamfer something more. I'm sorry for that. But it's nothing theoretically. Probably I will think about this and fix this later. Now again the subdivision. Okay. Yeah, horrible. Okay, select these and these here and move them a little bit forward in view. Now the shading is a little bit strange here. This is fine. Now the same here. Oh. Okay. Now the same here. So we'll just pull it away one direction. And now I will use my cut tool and make here a cut. And I will, from the hand, I will just do the cut straight all around. And a few more. And I promise I will be thinking about the triangles and fix them later. It's very bad to fix them like now, because honestly I'm not sure how to fix them the best, and I would just make a lot of time trying to fix them, and I don't know how it will be looking. No, I don't understand why this is shading so very strange here. So I'll delete this here. I will delete also this one. Select the whole, cap the whole, and I will do. No, it's making all absolutely the same. I don't understand. Now maybe I should go back to some other drivers than I have now. I mean, the graphic drivers. It's looking very strange. Now it's smooth. It's very fine. So I don't know why it's showing so strange. So let's look. I think it's very fine. It's like absolutely smooth. It's very looking nice. So we'll go a little bit more up now to try to finish it in this part. I don't want to make just one sword in at one part. So I mean one sword in two parts, of course. But maybe I will. So I don't know. Let's select the top poly here. It should be this one. Oh, I don't like it much. Okay. Okay. Now, by the way, I wasn't trying the tutorial before, so I'm just modeling from the scratch. Oops, no, not save. Back to. Let's insert this like this. Scale this in this axis like this. I will pull this a little. No, I will not pull this up. Now let's go to front and we'll do extrudes. We need some of them. Can go half centimeters up. And let's go more times. Until here. Now I will select these one, and this one. Loop them. Backspace to delete them. Now select also the vertex here. Backspace to delete. And let's select this one. And probably I should start to do it from a different shape, but I think it will not a problem to do it also from this shape. Okay, I selected the wrong one here. So let's go to front again and again few extrudes. Like this. And now we will do just scaling, a little bit boring one. Alt-X maybe to true, and I'll select these ones here. And let's scale. Okay, this is fine. Scale this back. Let's go to Alt-X, select these 3, 4. So without this, these 3 inside edges, loop them, Control Vertex, and with this I need to go which way? Okay, I need to select just this one, my bad. So I'll select this outer edge loop. No, it's not nothing looping there. So again, this one loop. Okay, not the looping is not working here. Now this will be very strange, but trust me, like it will be looking strange how I do that, but it will be fine at the end. But I need somehow to select the polys, and I'm afraid that I will select something which I don't want to select. It's always a risk, and after it's hard to fix anything, so Control Vertex here. Now selected again too much. Is this possible? Okay, back to poly. My bad. I need just to select these vertex here, and I'm a little bit lazy to select them manually, so I'm trying something like this, select that, and anyway, Control Vertex and move this inside. And now I need this one here. Control and yeah, to move a very strange shape like this here. Now let's go to front. Select everything like this and go a little bit away. Now I've also selected like this and connect this 2 times. Let's go to perspective and let's select this one here, loop it and scale this, and also this and this in the middle, loop and scale. It's looking like destroyed paper. I think I have something wrong selected, how it's in the view, how it should render the view, but I'll fix that later. Here now I need to select also these ones here. So loop them again and make it like this. Okay, maybe it's not absolutely matching, but the idea is, I think, very clear how to do that. Now it looks a little bit like a teddy bear. Okay. Now select this and this one here, loop it. I'm going to chamfer this a little bit, like this. And probably it would be nice if this one be scaled also. So let's go to front, we'll select them by vertex. Now again perspective, Z to zoom. And yeah, we'll make it a little bit bigger this way, and it will be again looking a little bit different. Oh, really, I don't care much about how this will be looking. It's not important for me. If it's for you, okay, sorry a little bit, but I don't think so. Okay, now again, let's use this, but as you can see, I was trying to match the back. Yeah, of course it's not the same. I should do more scaling with the vertex there, but I think you can do it very easily, quickly by yourself. And it's just about the idea, the way how to model it very quick. Now, here we have our sword. Now it's not looking so bad. And I think we did it very fast. It's still some things to fix. I mean, it's never finished. You know the feeling, like you make something and change every minute something else on that model. So it's also here. Okay. Now to make it a little bit more interesting, I will connect this once. Also this one here and this one here. Now I'll move this a little bit up. Okay. Now I will select all of these edges which I created now. Oh, this one too. Okay, we can also this one loop them. Now we'll chamfer them like this. I will select the inside edge of all, ring them, Control Poly, and we'll do a bevel. We'll do a bevel by local normal, away from the shape, of course. It's too much, so a little bit back, probably a lot of back. and press OK. So now if I will press subdivision, be looking like this, a little bit more interesting than just a rough shape, and like this you can put there a lot of details and stuff like that. So the next step at front, I will do here the sphere, which should be inside. So check this one here and make just a sphere. And in some view, I will use perspective, I will pull it inside, I will not make anything else with that. So can change the color. And the first sort, I think it's done. Yeah, again, I'm thinking about this all the time. Like, I don't like it much. I would like to fix that. And actually, I don't want to fix that because it's like, I don't know, afraid to waste your time. So without this selection here, we'll scale this a little bit down and move it. Also down, and these two. So I'm just making it a little bit smaller. Oops, I will adjust this. Now, why it looks that it's rotate? Yeah, I know. I'll set the rotation there. This is way better. I don't move it in the center and set to zoom again. And okay. Oh, it's a little bit better. Yeah, actually it is. Okay. So this was the first sort. Now we'll have to make this one here. It's very similar, just this is a little bit different. So we'll just practice the same, or we'll just edit this sort here. I don't know, we'll see. And after we'll do this one here, which is some Schmitter or how it's called. Yeah, I think we will just edit this model and make it look like this, and rebuild this one here and stuff like that. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next part. Well, bye bye.